Welcome to Help Screen. Now I'm going to show you how to set up and use Roblox Parental Controls. So guys, first thing is go to roblox.com and just simply log in into your child's account. And here on their account, you just simply select the gear icon on the top right corner and go to the settings over here. Now, here on the settings, you should be able to see parental controls over here. And you should be able to have an option over here, add parent. So click on add parent. And from here, just simply provide your email over here. So I'm going to provide my email and select send email. Now, an email will be sent to you. So go to your mail. Now, guys, the email will look something like this. So from here, guys, if you have an account already, you could just simply select use existing account. But if you don't have a Roblox account as a parent, so you have to create an account for yourself or as a parent. So click on create account. From here, just simply provide your birth date. And after that, select create account over here. Now, after that, just simply select start puzzle and just simply provide the captcha. Now guys, once you have created an account, it may prompt you to verify an ID or provide a credit card. So just simply proceed with that process to verify your parent account. And now once you have done all of that, you should have something like this, that our child's account is linking for us. So select agree over here. And after that, select OK. And now from here on the parental controls tab, you should be able to see here your child account. As you can see, the best thing about this one is it records their screen time. And from here, you can simply select manage over here. And you will have an option to screen time limit your child. And from here, you can select multiple hours and minutes for the daily limit. Now you should have top experiences as well. And from here, you should be able to view your child's top 20 experiences from the last week on what game he or she visiting. So pretty much over here, you will have full control and activity. And from here, you will have the friend request of your child, and you should be able to see their friend. And when you select the profile icon over here or the pencil icon, you should be able to unlink them if you may want that. And from here, you can just simply go ahead and scroll down a little bit. And from here, you should have settings to manage. So first, let's go through them. We have content restrictions. So here on the content restriction, you should be able to content maturity over here. So from here, guys, you will have a control if you will restrict your child to maturity level of the content, and you should be able to see here the meaning on each category. So from here, we could go back and we should have block experiences. So we could block out some game by just simply clicking on the plus icon and searching a game. And after that, you should be able to block that server and your child will not be able to play on that game or experience. Now, let's go back. We have a communication over here. So in the communication tab, we have experience chat. So here, if you select no one over here, it means there will be no experience chat. So your child cannot see anyone who is on the server chat. And you should be able to have direct chat as well over here, where no one can PM or directly chat with your child account. Now let's go back over here. Now we have the party, so you can do that as well. You can turn this off if you prefer. And now here on the next tab, we have the spending restrictions. So here you could have a monthly spending limit. As you can see, when you click on it, you should be able to have here the limit of the monthly spending. And you could also go for a 0 and select update if that's what you prefer. And now from here, you will have spending notifications as well. So make sure to select this one. So from here, as you can see, your child spending will have an email if they trying to spend $100, $250, or $500 on the game. So that's pretty important. Now let's go to the next one, which is visibility and private servers. So from here, you should have visibility. And from here, you could select no one. But if you go for friends, your child's friend, what the game he is playing. So now let's go back and go for the private servers. And from here, you could change this as well. And now let's go back to our last settings. Now here, go for trading and inventory. So from here, you can turn off the inventory as well, or the trading items. And now lastly, we have block users, which you could see who blocked by your child and blocked by you. And that's simply about it. I hope this video helped you understand more. And mostly, this is for parents to watch out for their child and see if their activity is doing fine. I think this is really helpful for Roblox to manage the game. I hope this video helped you understand more. Thanks for watching.